Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified channel. Today we are going to learn how to write a simple Java program that prints prime numbers between a starting and ending limit. We will be doing this step by step in Eclipse IDE. So if you are a beginner, this is perfect for you. So alright, let's get started and first open your Eclipse IDE. So this is the Eclipse IDE. You can see this. Okay, in this Eclipse IDE, you have to first create a one Java project. So I am just creating a one Java project. So you have to click on File and then New and then create a Java project. Okay. Now you have to give the name of the project. So I give the name prime number. Okay, and next finish this. So you can see here this project is created. In this project there is a src. You have to just right click here, click on the new and create a one class. Okay, so in this class you have to first give the package name. So I give the package name is program and you have to give the name of the class. So I want to give the name of the class is prime numbers in range. Okay, I have to include this public static void main. So I have just click and then finish. So you can see this the raw structure of the program is created here. Now let's write the code to find and print all the prime numbers in a given range. Okay, so for that first you have to import one package in Java. That name is a java.util.scanner. So I write import java.util.scanner. This is required to take input from the user. Okay. So if there is any error, so you can also check the errors, but this is a warning because I have not used this package. So now we have to write a one method that returns a one boolean value. If the number is prime, it gives return true, else it returns false. So for that I have to create a one method. So I write here public static and it's written boolean. So I write here boolean and s prime is the method name and it takes argument as a number. Okay, now in this you have to first check if number is less than equal to 1. In that case you have to return false because number is not prime. Okay, now if you have to check that for int I equal to 2, means we have to start the loop from 2 and I is less than equal to math.sqrt and I have to pass here number and increment the loop, that is I plus plus. And in that case we have to check if number modulo 2 equal 0. Then we have to return false because if number is whole divided by 2, the number is not considered as the prime number. Okay, now you have to close this, and if both the condition is not true, then you have to return true. Okay, so in this way we have written a one method that returns you a value either true or false and check the number is prime or not. Okay, now in the public static void main you have to call this method. Okay, So how to do this? You have to first take a input from the user. So in that case, you have to use the scanner package. Okay. Okay. So here I am just using the scanner method to take the input from the user. So I write scanner object sc equal to new scanner system dot in, means taking input from the system. Okay. Now you have to print the masses, so you have to write system dot out dot print and enter the starting limit, because you have to print uh, the prime number within a given range. Okay. Now similarly you have to take the another limit from the user, so I just copy paste and here enter the ending limit. Okay. So and you have to store also this in a one variable. So here I take int start equal to sc dot next int. Okay. And similarly you have to take another variable to store the ending value. Okay. So here I take int. Okay. Now you have to calculate all the prime numbers between a given range. Okay. So for that I have to make a one loop, so I write for int I equal to start and I is less than equal to end value and I plus plus. Okay. Then open the loop and I have to check if my method name is prime and I have to pass this I. Okay. And print system dot out dot print and I plus some space. Okay. So here it tell you that duplicate variable. So in that case you have to not declare this, you can directly use this. Okay. And now we can check that everything is closed or not. So here we have to close also. So this is loop closing and this is public static void main, and here you have to close also sc dot close. Okay. Okay. So in this way you can write a simple program. So now let's just check that this code is working or not. So for that, now let's run the program. So click on this green button at the top. So you can see here that it gives a message that enter the starting limit. So for example, I entered 10 and enter the ending limit. So for example, I entered 20. So it prints all the prime numbers between 10 and 20, that are 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. And that's it. So you have just written a Java program to find the prime numbers in a range using the Eclipse. So if you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the black bell icon so you can never miss an update. And drop a comment below if you want more beginner friendly Java tutorials or if you have any question. Thanks for watching.